Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your mobile data is active and your plan permits hotspot use. This prevents surprise limits. Once done, make sure the phone is charged or plugged in so it won't die while sharing. Now open Settings, go to Network or Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Toggle the hotspot on and glance at the default network name and password. Change them if they are generic so strangers can't join. Next, configure the network so it works well for you. You should rename the SSID to something recognizable and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. This prevents unauthorized access. Then pick the band, use 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds. If stability matters, consider USB or Bluetooth tethering instead. On the client device, scan for the SSID, enter the password, and confirm you receive an IP address and internet access. Finish by securing and monitoring the hotspot so it doesn't cause issues later. Limit the number of connected devices and use the device list to kick off anyone unfamiliar. This saves data and battery. Keep an eye on your data usage and battery level, and enable an auto-disable timer if your phone offers one so it turns off when idle. If something goes wrong, restart the hotspot, toggle mobile data, or reboot your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.